Ivala ma intlo naan katai. I use this making the Glen digital fryer. Otherwise, I would have made it in the old style by heating up sand in the cooker. Old ways remind me of old times. This recipe was originally popularized by the Dutch and later by a Parsi gentleman named Faramji Pestonji Dotiwala. During my childhood, there was a bakery called Universal Bakery. And my father used to take my brother in here for our Sunday treats, and we would eat burgers. As we grow old, we used to take our college friends here for birthday parties. This was a brilliant bakery in Secunderabad. First, we would all eat their burgers and then finish it off with pastries. And then all the friends would get 100 grams of Naan Khatai from the birthday person. Such amazing memories childhood has. Food has this amazing way of storing memories, whether they're good or bad. And making this recipe in this Glen digital fryer took me back to my childhood days. Try this, it's amazing. Until then, Annadatta Sukhi Bhava.